Okay, we got a little late to start this morning, but we're getting on to our next project, which is putting this 13,000 pound winch on the front of our trailer because we need more projects. So we're gonna get this winch installed. I'll take you along for it, and be sure to like and subscribe. Let's go. So after watching some videos by the project farm, I went ahead and went with this Zeak because it fit in our budget, and it was the size we needed. So this is the Zeak 1,300 pound winch. It does have the synthetic line. The box, it comes with a thank you, activate your warranty, and like somebody else said, a rock crawler sticker. So we'll let that go. It's got the remote, wired remote. It's got the wireless remote, some wiring, some hardware. Let's open it up. Again, it came with a synthetic line. Got to do some assembly, put the control box on top. But it looks like it only hooks on with a couple of screws to hold it on there. Got the fair lead. And this looks like to be the wiring bracket. Maybe the built-in relay. We'll get it opened up and see. Let's see what we got here. It seems to be a breaker. Yep. I thought it was just a wiring box, but it is actually the circuit breaker. There's the relays inside. I will say I did previously open this box and look at the wiring diagram, and I want to show that to y'all. What does that do with that booklet? So inside here gives you all your specs, what not to do, what angles to follow, more dimension specs, installation. Let's see, wiring connections. So it talks about them, don't let the wires touch metal, but this is a diagram. That's the whole schematic right there. So we'll get into that more later. I don't see anything about wiring the circuit breaker. Maintenance, rope replacement. Let's see what we're gonna, probably this might be some, another schematic for the breakdown of the winch itself, activating the remote, parts list, and the troubleshooting. So, we'll see how it goes. But all the reviews I've seen so far were pretty good for the price. So what we're going to do is, this is the mounting plate on our trailer, 28-foot gooseneck. There's the 1,000-horse tool cart. Still some new sockets and stuff we bought. I just haven't got the holders for it, so that's why it's not in the cart. This I've had for about 15 years, which is an old aluminum box I was going to use. And what I plan to do is actually mount the winch inside this box, so it'll be protected out of the weather. I bought a soft cover, but nah, we'll just go ahead and mount the box on here. I'm not sure which direction it's going to be able to point though, due to this bar up here and the gap here, if the lid's actually going to be able to open to the back. If that makes sense. It's going to be able to open to the back or not. I think more so I want to go to the front due to wind, if that makes sense. So that's my thought process. So let's get this winch out. I'm gonna turn the other camera on and take a look and see where the mounting holes need to go, and then we'll go from there and see where this box is gonna fit. So hang on. Are you kidding me? gonna use this front edge as the front edge of the box. I want to mark these tools to drill. I want to make sure I give myself that half inch off the bottom, so I'm eyeball-ish. Tape on it, so we're 4.5. Get closer. Get a flat edge. They're 10 inches apart and 4.49. Missed that hole. It's all right. Well, we're running out of light. This is what we got. Patch up a few holes. Winch is in the box. Controls in the box. My pretty color by numbers. Fair leads on there. Had some tool clean up.